Friends, welcome back to Toddlers at Work. Hope you all have had a great weekend and looking forward for the exciting week. We are starting off the week with this amazing story about dogs, and the title of the story is My City, My Dogs. You would meet the street dogs of Mumbai here in this story. The roads are their playground and they have made the city and the people their own. The pictures in this book have been created using a combination of illustrations and photographs. The illustrations have been made by Sumedha Saha and the photographs have been taken by Hashim Batani. Come, let's listen to this story, and especially if your little one is fond of dogs, I think it's one of the cutest story for your dog lover. Mumbai has many people, train and taxis. It also has many happy dogs who live on its streets. Let's take a walk down its many bylanes and meet the city's street dogs. Traffic loves to help the traffic police. When someone breaks a rule, traffic chases the vehicle and stands next to it. No one can get away under his watch. Chiku lives by a movie theatre. He eats and plays with the security guards. On cold nights, Chiku snuggles into a poncho that his guard friends made for him. Periyappa's favorite food is idli and dosa. Every day he visits 3 different restaurants for breakfast, lunch and dinner. Mind it, Periyappa is always eating or dreaming about food. Champi lives near a big ground where children play cricket and football. Maurya ji, a sugarcane juice seller, found her. At that time, he was taking a head massage, which is called Champi. That is how she got her name. Come, let's meet Hole. As a puppy, Hole was rescued from a rat hole by a manager of a church, so they decided to call him Hole. Hole sits on the theatre steps, wagging his tail and greeting moviegoers. Now you need to meet Captain. Captain lives in a park where Sachin Tendulkar played cricket. He loves to run. Every year he trots alongside the people who run in the Mumbai Marathon. Captain even finishes the race. No one gives him a medal, but he's happy with a biscuit. Now you must meet Bogie. Bogie is fascinated by trains. She was found living in a first-class ladies' compartment of a train. I'm sure people who travel in Mumbai locals would know the first class compartment and the ladies compartment. Bogie had boarded the train looking for adventure, but she did not have a ticket. And you must meet Kalu. Kalu is usually exploring different parts of his city. He doesn't even need a map, you see. Some days he walks by the sea and on other days he heads to the railway station. One day he just jumped onto a train while following a friend. Then you must meet Kali. She loves to play with children. She enjoys it when they cuddle her. She even lets them sit on her back. Kali is looked after by a family that lives on the streets. And these were the dogs from Mumbai. So, the dogs of Mumbai. It is hard to imagine Mumbai's roads without street dogs. These stray dogs, as well as the ones you met in this book, are looked after and fed by thousands of people across the city. They could be the neighborhood shoe shine man, the policeman, the street vendor, the street dweller, or even people living in high-rise buildings. The dogs have names like Kalu, Tommy, Julie, or are even named after film stars such as Aishwarya, Salman and Shah Rukh. The welfare of stray dogs has been looking after the medical care and vaccination of these stray animals for over 20 years. You can get more details about WSD from their website wsdindia.org. You can even find them on Facebook, follow them on Twitter. You can help WSD in its activities either by volunteering and helping them. You can even help adopt a stray dog, or you could even choose to help donate to the WSD and help these stray dogs. Thank you so much, friends, for listening to our today's story. I hope some or the other stray dog would receive help from your end. Thank you.